Hi there! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how the impressive site menu integrates with Wix Multilingual to add a language switcher to your site. Make sure you have both Wix Multilingual and impressive site menu installed. If you don't have Wix Multilingual yet, just open the App Market, search for the Wix Multilingual app, and add it to your site. Launch the Wix Multilingual setup. Wix detects your site's original language and asks you to pick a flag for it. Confirm the language, choose the flag, and move on. Next, add your additional languages. The integration works with up to 3 languages total. Select a language from the list, pick its flag, and let Wix auto-translate your content. You'll also need the impressive site menu. Without it, the integration won't work. Open the Wix editor and go to the App Market. Search for impressive site menu and add it to your site. Open impressive site menu. In the settings panel, enable Add Languages to Menu and turn on Wix Multilingual support. Your menu now displays tabs for each language. Make sure the URL structure matches your Wix Multilingual settings, subdirectories or subdomains, and decide whether to display country flags next to each language name. Click through each language tab, EN, ES, FR, to customize your pages. Rename the page titles to their translations and choose which pages should appear for that language. You don't need to duplicate pages. The app links directly to the translated versions. You'll need to manually enter page titles as they aren't translated automatically. That's it. Your site menu now lets visitors switch seamlessly between languages. Remember that if a visitor selects a language you haven't added, they'll see an error page, so stick to the 3 languages you've configured. Try out this new multilingual feature in impressive site menu and expand your reach today.